Alright guys, Rob Anderson, Clean Power Wash, Salisbury, Maryland. We're over here doing an estimate for this house. Decent sized house, nothing, it's a little retirement community or older senior living area. But look at how dirty these sidewalks are. Now this sidewalk goes to the house, so we would definitely include that as part of our normal house wash. We would normally just stop right there. But, a bunch of other nice little houses I'd like to clean. We're actually going to clean, price out, we'll clean probably to this or maybe to that one, and we'd go down a good bit of ways, even if that means that we are underpricing the sidewalks. There's a decent amount back behind the house. There isn't actually any sidewalk that goes up to the front of the house, but in a community like this, we know that people walk around through the community. They're going to notice all of a sudden, boom, this is bright white sidewalk where it was black, and then they're going to notice the lawn sign that we'll have put out about there, or right where they'll see that transition. And this whole little community, anybody who walks around is going to say, hey man, what did y'all do? And then they'll obviously realize that they hired Clean Power Wash. We'll get all this black gone. But guys, sometimes you have to intentionally look at this and say, you know what, I'm going to do extra work on this. Normally we would just do the sodding and that front brick, and then we just do that regular sidewalk like I said. But we're going to do this extra, probably throw in an extra 200 or 300 square feet or whatever, or linear feet, whatever it is, I don't know, of cleaning. We'll clean most of the way down to that next door neighbor, probably almost to that fire hydrant, so that next door neighbor sees it when they come out and say, wow. Now, we'll have to obviously build that part in with the rest of the ones when we clean them to that price, but on this one we'll probably do a little bit less, so we can get this client, get this house. They've got some oxidation on it too, so we've got to take care of that. But go that little extra mile, especially when it's on a street you want to do some more work on, and make that money. Have a great day.